I got involved in the GRI about 2 years ago is when we really implemented it into our company and used it as a tool for hiring. I took it myself based on a recommendation from the CEO of our company, and I was absolutely blown away with the results that were given to me based on myself. I had taken a lot of personality tests, and I really thought that I was very in touch with myself. And for this one to be 2 questions, and my results came back and they were so accurate on who I was and really confirmed why I was doing well in my career and growing and thriving, and I was really in an environment that I needed for myself. Going and making the decision to be certified to give the GRI assessment was one of the greatest things that I have done so far. It's really impacted our company. The seminar in itself was very intense. There were days that I would leave and I thought, oh my gosh, my brain is just completely on overload right now. But I wanted to continue giving this assessment to everyone I know. So on day 1, I went home and I contacted friends and family and said, okay, let me practice because I believe in this so much. I knew that it was going to make a huge impact on the decisions that I made for the future of our company, for the teams that we put together. So immediately after I was certified, I was in the process of hiring 2 separate employees, and I realized this is the time for me to test out my skills and see if I'm ready for this. The feedback that I got from them when I was reading the results was very reassuring. I was able to tell them things about themselves, and they were responsive, saying, I'm really shocked that you can tell me that. I was also then able to take that information and put them on different teams. My immediate reaction was one was going to be better in transactional and the other one was going to be better in litigation. And after I saw their GRI and I realized the challenges that one wanted, I was able to put them, and I actually made a switch, and to this day I'm extremely happy that I did. Both of them had thought that they would be interested in a different position, and when I told them the reason why I was doing it based on the GRI results, they had agreed to go through it, and now both of them are thriving in their careers. And I really think that it was an instrumental part of making that decision. Since implementing the GRI into our hiring process, I have been able to really focus on the traits of the position that we're looking for. For instance, our paralegals must have a very strong attention to detail skill set that they enjoy. And I'm able to set the position behavior indicator to look for that specific thing in candidates and give me back the results of who my strong candidates are in the running right now, and make better decisions on hiring and create the power teams that way. Once we make the hire, then now we have to implement this into the team. The GRI also points out where people's strengths are, what motivates them. I can see the way that I need to keep them engaged and how I get their superiors to keep them engaged, to have a happy team, to have a reliable team, to have a strong team, and to have a power team, which keeps the problems in the company on the employee level at a minimum and really ups the production value that we're able to kick out. We can kick out very high quality work because our teams are so strong. And that's been one of the most instrumental parts that we have been able to use based on the GRI.